Okay, so this is the find by method, right? This is the find by with what is that, with projection. Find by with what, projection. Projections, right? What is the projections means? What fetching means? Fetching, what is that? Fetching not all specific column data using what is that query is what called projection. Projection or projecting, guys. Okay, selecting required column only, right? Selecting what, required column only. Here till now what we seen that just what is that, we are selecting what, some specific total record, right? One or multiple total record we are selecting, but what is that in the record, right? Some specific column, right? Just I want to select what is that, s name only, right? I want what is to select what is that, sid only, right? Sid only. This is called what is that, this is called what, specific column. This is nothing but what, in the case of what, our data jpa, that is called what, projection now, guys. Okay, that is called what, projection now. Okay, so this operation, if we want to perform this method, what find by method is supporting that operation also now, guys. Okay, find by method is supporting what, that method also now. But so let's perform this one also, right? Let's perform this one using what, based on that. But some rules we have need to follow if we want to perform what is that projection using what is that find by method. So what is that? So first, what is that, fetching fetching not all, right? Not all, guys. Okay, not all, right? Not all, specific, what is that, specific column, specific columns, right, like data are using what is that, using query is what is that, is called what is that, projections, right? Projections are projecting, are projecting, are selecting required, what is that, required column also, right? Required column also. So some rules is there, right? Step one, let's see that. Okay, let's first understand what is that, step one. Step one, right? Step one, what we will do now, define define one, what is that, define one integer, define one integer with what is that, with any what is that name, with any name, what is that, inside what, inside a repository interface. Okay, another one is what, step two is what, step two is what, guys? Step two is what, select a variable from model class. Okay, don't worry, whatever step I'm writing, right, those steps I will use in the what, I will use in what, guys, I will use in what, and we will in the repository, and I will show it, right? I will show it as a practical only, right? Everything will be practical now, but first focus on what, our theory part. Okay, theory part. Okay, so what is that, select what, select variable, from model, and what is that, add as what, get method, right? Method inside what, new interface, new what is that, interface creation. Okay, good. So step four, what is that, step four, Step 4. Sorry, step 3. Step 3, use this interface. Use this interface as what? Return type.
Return type.
Return type or find by find by find by method, right? Find by method. Okay, good. Another one. Let's take step 4. Step 4. What is that? Then what? Called find by and what? Find by and what? Read or print data. Print data, right? This step we will follow to perform what is that? Projection, right? Projection means what? A specific column. If we want to find what is that a specific column, then what we will do now, guys? We will follow this rules only, right? So what we are going to now, let's create one new application only. Can I work on this only? Okay. No, let's create one new application. Okay. It will take not much time. Okay. So, okay, good. So now currently, now in this time, we will take what is the product. Product shall we take up? So, okay, let's take the product only. Okay. So I'm closing all those things. Okay, guys. So close all. Okay, now file new and come to our what is Spring Starter project. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now is Spring Data GPA find by method projection. Now next select what is that? Is Spring Data JPA Lombok and what is that? MySQL driver. Next, finish. Okay. Copy this one. Paste the data. Why this thing is happening now, guys? What happened?
Delete this one.
Now fine. Okay, good. So yeah, good. Okay, guys. So now good. Here, what we will do now? Here we will take one model class, right? Model class. Okay. Here we will take one model class. What is that? Right click, new. Here I'm taking what? Entity, and here I'm taking what is that model class product. Product. Now finish it. Okay, good. Now here what I'm going to take now variable now guys. Private, private what? Private integer. Private integer. Private integer. Integer what? Prod ID I'm taking, right? Prod ID. Another one is what? Private string product code. Product code. Another one I'm taking what? Private what? Private double what? Prod cost.
Cost
Okay. So this data is there. Now at the rate, what is that? At the rate ID. I'm taking what is the sorry in entity.
entity
At the rate table. Inside that table, I'm taking what? Name equal to what? Name equal to what? Prod tab. Product tab. Na? After then what is that? At the rate ID. At the rate column. Inside that what I'm taking now? Name equal to what? PID I'm taking, right? PID. Good. Another one is what? At the rate column. At the rate column. At the rate column. Name equal to what? Name equal to what? P code. P code. Another one is what? At the rate column. Name equal to what? P cost. P cost. Good. So this is the data. Now here I'm taking what is that? At the rate data.
code data
At the rate no R constructor.
no are constructor
At the rate all are constructor. Fine. So good. So next one is what? Now our entity class is ready now, guys. Okay. Our entity class is ready now. Okay. So next one is what we will do now. We will write the interface, right? Interface, repository interface. Now right click, go inside that. What is that? com.rk.repo. Repo. Okay. Repo. Here what I'm taking now, product repository, right? Repository now finish. Okay, here what I will take extend what is that? JPA repository.
JPA
Here I'm taking what?
repository.
Product. Here I'm taking what? Product now. Product. Here I'm taking what is that? Integer. Okay, guys. So good. So now again, what I'm going to take? I'm going to take one data runner class. Okay. So now let's take it. Okay. Here what is that? Stand command line runner.
Implement not implement
Implement.
Yeah. Good. Here at the rate data.
Component.
at the rate component
Sorry.
at the rate
Student, what is that? Sorry, product.
product repository.
Yes, product repository. Now what we will do now here? Auto wire. Good. So good guys. So here what we will do now first what we will do now? First we will store the data, right? Just what I'm going to do now. I'm going to store the product only, right? Product only. So okay, so first what we will do now, let's delete that this record, okay, because again table will generate here only, right? Okay, so good, there is no table, okay, good. So come here. So what I'm going to do now, repo, right? Now here what I'm going to do now, repo dot save all. Here arrays dot is list, right? But here what I'm going to do now, new product, new product, right? New product, first one I'm picking, what is that? 101, okay? One zero one. Product code. We have need to take name only, but we are taking what is the product. Okay, no problem. That's name only. We will put. What is that pen? Okay, pen. I'm taking the product and cost. I'm taking what? Cost. I'm taking what? 200. Good. So multiple product. Let's take here two notebook. Another product. What we can take now, guys? Anyone?
Laptop file.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys. So this is our data, right? This is our data now. Okay, good. So now,
ID 104 for laptop.
good. Okay, good. So this is the data is there, right? So now let's run the application and we will first store the data. Yeah, data is stored now in the database, guys. Okay. Data is came. Okay, good. So now, okay, come to here. Okay, come here. Okay. So now what define one integer with what any name inside repository interface, right? Inside what repository. Okay, so first what we will do now, guys, so first we will select what is that find by product, right? ID less than less than what we will do now, guys, less than what, let's first perform what is that operation, less than, right? Less than, where the greater than, less than, okay, less than, okay. So now good, so first what we will do now, first we will perform the our normal we will use the normal find by ID only, okay. So come here, here. Yeah, repository is there, inside that what we will do now, what we will do now, find find by find by what product, find by what product ID, right? Come here. What is that product ID is there, right? Product ID competition. Come here, product ID, right? Product ID, good. Product ID, okay. Product ID less than, okay, less than. Come here. What is that? Come here. Take the less than only. Less than or equal to only less than only, right? Less than. Whatever less than is there, those data we will get it, guys. Okay. So less than. Okay, good. So less than. Okay. Now what is that integer? Integer. What is that? ID, right? ID. Good. Now it will return what? List. Product. Yeah. Good. So this is the data now, right? This is our what data. So for that, what we will do now, guys? Come here. First, normal things we are doing now, guys. Okay. Now comment it. This one no need. Okay. Comment it. Okay. So how normal we are doing now? How normal we are printing now? So what is that repo? Repo dot what? Find by what? Product less than, right? Less than. Okay. So less than what we will do now? So let's take what is that 103. Okay, 103. 103 less than data is there. Those data we will get. Okay. Now here 103 I'm taking, right? Now dot for age. Okay. For age. Okay. System. Okay. So now let's run the application. Less than what is that pen and a notebook, right? 102, 101 and 102 we are getting, right? 101 and 10 means what is that less than? What is the data? 101 and 102 only, right, guys? Come on, we are getting both record or not?
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
Yes.
two records.
but what is that? We are getting full record, right? Full record here. See this product 101, whatever the record is there, all record we are getting, right? But why we are using the projection for the selecting what is that particular data, right? Particular. I want to select P code only or P cost only. I don't want to select whole data, right? Whole data from the database. So for that we are using what is that projection now, guys. Okay. So for that what we are using now? Projection. Okay, good. So now, okay, so what is that? What our things is there? So come here. What we seen that till now from here onward, okay? Define. What is that? Define one integer with what? Any name inside that repository interface. Interface. Any name we can define it, okay? So what is that? Come here. Here, what we will do now? Here we will take inner interface. You know that inner classes, inner interface. Now here we will take what is that?
Yes, sir.
Inner classes will.
Yes. Here we will take one interface, right? We will define inside that interface. Okay. Interface. Just I'm taking what is that data. My data, right? I'm taking what is that? My data. My data. My data, and inside that what we will do now, whatever data we have need to select, right? Get set method is there, right? Get set means what is that return, what is the data type I want to select only? What is that product cost? Product cost we can select a yeah, just we will not select product ID, right? Just we will select what is that product cost, sorry, product code, and what is that product cost only, right? So what is the double and string is there now? String is there. So what we will do now inside that what we will do now? Getter and setter method is generated or not, guys, because of this Lombok API. Come on. So same like we will call that get. What is that? Get a product, right? 1 minute. here what is that? Already it will generated, right? So based on that getter and setter, we will call that. Okay, from here, what is where the product class? Yeah, entity class is there inside that series. So product, okay, get. This is already is there, right? Get prod code is there, right? Get prod code is there. Now come here. So it must be match, otherwise again it will not run, guys. Okay. So what is that? What is that? We want to select what is that product code and product cost, right? Product code and product cost, not ID. So what we will take now? Get setter and getter. So get what? Get prod what is the prod code we want. Okay, this method we will call inside that. Another one is what? Another one is cost, right? So another one is what? Prod get prod cost get prod cost. Good. Okay, so this the two data type we will call it, guys. Okay, this two data type is we will call, but what is the return type? Sorry, what is the variable of this this what is that? This data type is string and double, right? String and double.
String type.
Yeah, so here what we will take now is string. Another one is what? Another one is what? Double.
Double.
Cost, right? Okay, so like that, like this we will specify one interface inside that. Whatever on whatever data, right? On whatever like what data type we have need to select those data we will take inside that what in this interface now, guys. Okay, in this interface now. Okay, so good. So after then what we will do now? After then what we will do now? We will call this, right? We will call this one, right? Based on this method, right? Sorry, interface name. We will come inside that what here. Inside that what? Our interface now. Okay. Sorry, our runner class. So how we will call it? How we will call it now, guys? Repo dot. What is that? Again, we will call that method, right? Again, we will call the same method. Okay, no problem. Same method only, right? This method already we are calling. Okay, good. So now in this time, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hold it right here. Here we will call it. Okay, no issue. No issue. Okay, so we are going to call it that one. Okay, so here now currently we will use the last legacy string. How we are selecting that list of, it will return list, right? List. Okay, list of what is that? What the interface we perform the inside that data, right? My data. That interface we will take as a what? A generic type here. That interface we will take the generic type only, guys. Okay, generic type only. Okay, so good. So it will return what is that? List of what? List of data, na? Control shift O. Again, why we are getting this error now? Cannot convert. It's saying that mismatch.
Maybe it will be like product repository dot my data.
Sorry.
Here we are passing inner interface. Huh?
Yes.
So parent will we have to pass.
Oh. Sorry, my mistake only, right, guys? Actually, what I'm doing now, see this here, what I'm taking product a generic type I took, right? No, don't take this one, take this one only, right? Now, currently, if you take this one, then it will work. Now it's fine, guys. Okay, good. So whatever interface we will take, that interface generic type we will take here only. Okay, guys, so that generic type we will take here. Okay, so okay, good. So now come to again runner class, right? Now that see that the problem got resolved now. Okay, so okay, good. So how we can, if you want to see the data, right? So two record only will come, right? Sorry, two row record will come, right? Two product code and what is the product class. ID will not come. Okay, ID, based on that ID we are selecting the data, but ID will not come, right? ID will not come. So how we can, so for each condition we know that, right? So for right, for each condition we will perform, based on that for each condition we will take the result. Okay, we will take the result now, guys. Okay, so okay, good. So what is that, what we will take now? My view, we will take this one,
My
copy
data.
my data. Yeah, my data m colon, what is that, list, right? This list we will take, copy and a list for each condition, guys. Okay, so good. Okay, so now let's print it. Okay, so how we will print it now?
Says out print.
Sys out. Okay, sys out dot, what is that, m dot get, oh sorry, m dot get, what is that, get product code, right? Get product code. M dot what, get product cost. Okay, now let's run the application and we will get what is that, this only, these two record only, guys. Okay, this row record we will not get. This is nothing but projection only. See this, guys, but condition also we are taking, right? We took the condition also. What condition we are taking? Because of that two record we are getting now, guys. Okay, come here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see this, what is that, less than. Okay, less than we are taking, because of that only we are getting what, two record, right? Two record. See this, pen and notebook. Okay, notebook. And what argument we are taking now, guys? What argument we are taking?
ID.
103. It's working or not, guys? Come on, come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, yes, Ravi. Got
Okay, guys, so one example.
Yes, Ravi, please.
Okay.
Yes, got it.
Yes, got it, Ravi. Got it.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, good. So next, our next discussion is what? Find my method related at all concept with completed, guys. Now let's deep dive in the what, date and the time. Okay. Till now, anyone having any doubt? Let me know that, guys.
Yes, Ravi, I have some doubts.
Yes.
Yeah. So, if we want to some different fields, then we should declare another inner interface at our repository itself.
Yes, if you are using what is that, find by method, right? Then you have to create one interface inside that, what, inside that our repository interface. Then you can able to perform what is that, this kind of particular. If you want to select particular data, then you particular row, then you have to create inner interface only. Then there is no possibility is there like direct if you are using find by method. Then
Okay, okay. Thank you.
okay, guys, so okay, let's see the what our next level discussion, date and the time, right? Date and the time. What is that, a date and the time? Okay, 1 minute, I'll check it anywhere the field. Here what, date and the time, right? Okay, so date and the time, right? To performing date and the time means what is that, by default, what is that, by default our temporal what is the temporal type. If we want to perform what is the date and the time in what, data JP, what is that, for that temporal type is there, and that is the enum having three possible value, right? Three possible value. Based on that we can perform, like what is that, temporal, right? Temporal type. Okay, temporal type is what is that, is a is the enum, right? Inner having, what is that? Having three possible values. Possible values. Possible values. Like what is that? Date and what is that? Time. Date and time and a time stamp. Time and time stamp, guys. Okay. Time and what? Time stamp. These three possible values. They're based on that. What we will do now? We will perform the date and the time operation now, guys. Okay. Date and the time operation now. Okay. So like what is that? If we what? If we do not specify what is that? Any specify any value. Specify any values, the default, what is that? Default is what? Timestamp. Timestamp, right? Timestamp. What is that? Timestamp means what is that? DDMMYY, guys. Okay, DDMMYY with what? Every second. And time is what? Only time. Date means what? Date only, right? But here, what is that? Timestamp is the combination of date, time, and a second, millisecond also, right? Everything. And this one only by default only.